Yung asawa ko guys, ayan. Ginagawa na ang lahat para lang matakpan. Para lang matakpan yung bird feeder para hindi makaakyat yung mga bird, yung mga squirrel sa taas ng bird feeder kasi uubusin nila yung pagkain ng mga ibon.
Hey! Hey, you! Hey, you!
Squirrel.
He's looking right at you. He's not scared.
Come on.
He's looking at you.
Why are you looking at me like
He's
that?
looking right at you. He's looking right at you. And he doesn't
He
care.
said, don't watch me eating.
He's not scared at all.
I'm hungry.
Is he scared? Is he
He's
scared
not.
at all?
I want to see him climb.
Yeah, and what, and fall? He'll never make it. Don't you see what I put up there?
Yeah.
There's pieces of metal all around it.
Come on. I want to see your skills.
No, you want him to get hurt?
Of course not. I just want to see him. I just
Did
want
you
to
see
see
that
his
little-
skills climbing into that.
Did you see the little contraption I put up there with all that steel and metal sticking out? He won't dare try it. Man,
That's your best friend, so.
yeah. He's been around here since he was a baby. And all he knows is there's food everywhere, and he thinks this is his house, and I'm here to feed him. It's exactly what he thinks. Him and his brother or sister that they
Look
chase-
at him. Oh my
They
god.
chase each other all over the yard.
Oh, honey, look at him.
He's finding every seed that the birds knock down.
Yeah.
Like he can even think he can get up that high.
You block him. You see all those. He can't even jump because of that wires that you just put around that
Exactly.
pole.
Because you'll try to get through him and it'll knock him down. And he'll fall right back down to the ground because he can't keep going.
Yep. There he is. Oh, he's coming back. Honey, come on. Watch him. There he is. There he is. Up, up, up. Come on.
Oh, he's thinking about it, isn't
Yep, yep.
he? How is he going to do it? But he knows you're looking at him. Oh, he's going to try.
He is, guys.
Let's see how he does it.
See, I told you.
He wants to jump up to that bird feeder. He's thinking about how he can do it. The gray one figured it out because we found him asleep there.
We don't want them up there because
They
they're gonna
eat all the bird seed,
they're gonna eat all
and
the
the
birds'
birds
feed.
don't come.
Yeah, because that's not their food.
Well,
Whoop, Annie, ready? Oh my God! There you go. I got it.
how did he do it?
He just oh, there he is.
He jumped right off the railing,
Yes.
and he was able to jump from the railing
Yes.
onto that, and just. That's how he did it.
That's how he did it.
They don't try to go across all that stuff. They
No.
just jump straight out to it.
Yep. That bird loves to take a bath. Oh my.
Okay. You should probably go outside with me. So when I yell at him, you'll watch him do whatever he's gonna do.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Get some film now. Hey. Hey. Unbelievable. Oh, can't do anything about them. No matter what I do, they find a way to get up there.
How did he get up there? Again.
Hey. Hey. Hey, you. Hey, you.
Squirrel.
Hey, squirrel. What's up, dude? Yeah, you.
You're scaring him so bad. That's for the second time, right?
Oh yeah, he was up there just less than 5 minutes ago. You guys just saw it. He's up again. I'm not sure how I'm going to handle this. You know, I've tried everything. Need to do something else. This time he jumped just like right up to the black thing, and then got over the top in the arches and made his way down. So
Maybe you have to put it a little bit higher.
back up. He's not scared.
He's not scared.
He
just
knows
jumped right back.
he knows I'm pissed, and now this is my welcome home. He knows the bird feeder is off limits. Landing in my
He's
flock.
playing. Oh, honey, there's a chipmunks. Chipmunks over there.
Landing in my flowers, messing up my perennials, crushing them. Here we have the chipmunk. He is feeding all of the mess that the birds and the squirrel leave. So he's the bottom feeder. Oh, here's our friend again, the squirrel.
That's your best friend.
Uh-huh. So there they are. Yeah. These animals are gonna bankrupt me.
Why?
Look for yourself.
My God. Oh, honey, the garden is so pretty. Your garden is so pretty, and right over there, that blue. There's the chipmunks.
In your coffee drink?
Honey, don't make noise because here are the birds.
Oh, you got all three of them up there?
Yeah, a little away.
Did you get him on top when you could see that he was yellow? The elephant is back on the top. Get the picture.
Mm-hmm.
You see him?
Yeah.
You got his yellow chest?
Mm-hmm.